This video shows how to make a classic no-bake cookie recipe. First, gather all your ingredients and tools that you need to make the recipe. Then add half a cup of unsalted butter to a pan over medium heat. Melt, and then add half of a cup of non-fat milk, a quarter of a cup of cocoa powder, and 2 cups of sugar. Whisk that together until no lumps remain, and cook it until it boils, and cook it to 230 degrees, which is about 1.5 minutes. Then remove it from the heat. Add half of a cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and stir until the peanut butter is melted. Then add 3 cups of quick cooking oats. Stir them in, and then immediately use a cookie scoop to scoop them onto your cookie sheet. You can use a 1 tablespoon, a 2 tablespoon, your choice. Let them sit until they harden, and then enjoy.